It's definitely pergola, yeah?
Pergola.
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 I forget that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited because we are going on another adventure. Place is called Pergola and is in Canary Wharf. When I saw the pictures of the restaurant, I was like, yes, I must go there because it's very earthy, it's very greenery, and the food looks yummy. We're going to go there, we will eat, we will enjoy. I'll come back, we have a little sit down chit chat. I'll let you know how it went, the price, the ambience, the environment, and everything else that you need to know, just so that you can make an informed decision whether you want to go eat there or not. Let's go grab some food. Welcome back. Now, when I tell you this place, everyone must go. One word to describe this place is wow. Like when I got to this place, the greenery is real. There's like a garden, like a whole garden in front of the restaurant before you get to the restaurant. And so it's so nice. You can actually hear like bird chirping. I don't know whether they're actually playing bird chirping or there's actual birds around the area, but it was lovely. So the time that we got there was just around 2:30. So when we got there, it was quite busy, but we managed just to get a table. If you're going with a group of people, but you're less than 6, then it is first come, first serve basis. But if you are more than 6, you can pre-book a table. But because it was the 3 of us, we were lucky enough to get there at that time to get a table to eat. If we had gone a little bit later on, we would have only been able to receive drinks and not food with it. So when we were showed into our table, we had a look through the menu and through the drinks. They have loads of cocktails and ciders and beers and, you know, the normal drinks, wine, red wine, white wines. I had mimosa and Lydia had cider, and then Gideon had a soft drink. So we had our drinks, then we ordered the meal. Because it was a brunch, there was no like set of like starters, main, dessert, so you just had to pick what was on the menu sheet. So I went for the steak and Lydia went for the all-day breakfast, and Gideon went for the burger. The food was nice. The only thing that I can say, which Gideon pointed out, was that the fries was very salty. So if you do not like salt, maybe you should pick something else instead of these chips, because they had chili broccoli, which I also ordered. Because as I said, it was a brunchy type of menu, there was no dessert, so we couldn't order dessert. But I will go back again to try the evening meal or the a la carte meal, to have starter, main and dessert as I always do. But I just didn't know that, you know, they serve that in the evenings alone. I just thought we could do a lunch with that, but that is not on the menu. But I will recommend this place. The food tasted amazing and the drinks were nice as well. And so that is it. It was really nice. It's really affordable. It wasn't too expensive. And so if you are in or around the area, do go try this out. There's also a massive shopping center, so you can literally go shop till you drop and then go have a couple of drinks and a little bit of food and then go back shopping again, if you will. But that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.